Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of English Pod. My name is Erica, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you all here with us today, along with my good friend Marco. So Marco, how are you doing today?
Hey Erica, I'm doing great, I'm really excited for today's lesson. Wait, you mentioned something about going to the eye doctor?
Exactly. We're diving into an elementary lesson about going to the eye doctor. It's such an important topic, and I can't wait to share some fun learning moments. Let's kick things off with our vocabulary preview.
Oh, cool. Vocabulary, yay. What do we have today? I love learning new words.
All right, our first word is struggle. Now, when I struggle to do something, it means it's difficult, and I have a hard time doing it quickly. Like when you really want to bake a cake, but everything goes wrong and your eggs keep cracking.
Haha. Oh man, I had a cake disaster once. It was such a struggle, I ended up with more egg on my face than in the bowl. What's next?
The next word is blurry. Whenever something is blurry, you can't see it well. It's not clear at all. It's like trying to look at the world through a foggy window. So frustrating, right?
Right. Or like when I wake up in the morning and can't find my glasses. Everything's a big blur. It's like I'm in a weird dream. Haha.
Exactly. And our final word is prescription. Quote, often when you go to the doctor and need medicine, they write out a prescription. It's like a magic note detailing the medicines you need to feel better. Like getting the perfect TV remote that finally lets you watch that series you love.
Ooh, I love that analogy. The remote control is essential. Haha. All right, what's next?
Now, let's listen to the dialogue.
Sure thing. I'm really curious to hear how it goes. Let's dive in.
Plays dialogue. Hello, Arthur. What seems to be the problem? Quote, hey, Doc, I think I might need glasses.
Wait a minute. Headaches and struggling to see far away? Wow, I think I've been there. I sometimes have to squint at the TV when my favorite show comes on. Haha.
Exactly. Farsightedness can sneak up on you like that. So covering one eye to read the chart, that's a classic test. It's like a rite of passage for so many people.
Wow. And blind as a bat? That's such a vivid expression. I once saw a bat in my backyard. It was nighttime and just completely dark. I was terrified.
Right? That's why we use that saying. It really brings the visual to life. And when the doctor tells Arthur to go pick out some frames, but he ends up in the bathroom. That's hilarious.
Haha. Poor guy. I'd probably do something like that too if I'm not paying attention. I can be a bit scatterbrained sometimes.
Laughs. And let's take a look at our language takeaway. The first phrase is 20/20 vision. Quote, if I have 20/20 vision, it means I have perfect vision. But then there's farsightedness, where people can see far, but anything up close is a blur.
Yeah, like trying to read a menu? I can totally relate. Menus can be pretty small sometimes.
And the opposite of that is nearsightedness. This means you can see things that are close, but struggle to see far away. Almost like you can read the cereal box beautifully, but not the sign across the street.
Oh, I love cereal. Oh, but wait, the word, make out. Is that?
Oh no, not that kind of making out. Laughs. It means to see something clearly.
Right, got it. Okay, now I really want to hear that dialogue again, but slower this time. It sounded interesting.
All right, let's do it. Replays dialogue.
This is so interesting. And hey, I have a question for all our listeners. What's it called when you can't distinguish colors? I'd love to hear their answers.
Oh, I like that. We want the technical term for it. So please post your answer on our comments page.
Yeah, and if anyone has questions about today's lesson, remember to visit our website. We're here to help.
Until then, it's goodbye from us.
Thanks for hanging out with us at English Pod. It was great fun.
Bye.
Bye.